Hey, so I just got an email about learning a song called Marina. I've never heard the song, but this student said, do you think it's possible to play the song in 1 year? Let's do this together. I often get questions from students who are looking to learn a very specific song. Let's see if the song is doable and how to approach learning the song given the space of, let's say, 6 months to a year. So I just pulled it up on YouTube. This is the song Marina by Rocco Granata. Let's listen together. Bum, 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 bum. Let me see if another version, I'm going to pull up another version that might be more in tune, because this is from 1959, I think. I think this is him, Rocco Granata. Let's see what key it's in. It's in G major. Oh, the guitar, the fast forward a little bit. I just want to see if a rhythm will start. I'm going to go back to the original version. Good. So I'm going to pause there. There are two. How I would explain this. I'm gonna answer this specific question for this specific student. In general, is it possible to play the song in 1 year? Yes. Yes, for sure. How you should approach learning the song in 1 year. It depends if you want to sing the song or it depends if you want to play the song. If you want to sing the song, which is what I would suggest doing before learning to play the song with your right hand, your left hand is going to be providing the backing track, whether you're singing or whether you're playing. So your left hand is going to be doing this. Right? Marina da 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 da. Ba da ba 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 da ba 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 ba. Ba da ba 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 da ba 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 ba. To get to that point, I think you can do in a month's time. And it's understanding how to find chords in the left hand. It's G major. How to build chords in the right fingers to use. And how to do a certain bass rhythm. This is called the alternate bass technique. And we see it used in so many waltzes and polkas, and any song really uses this technique. You need to learn over the course of this year or of a few months how to make that musical. It's just one chord, G major. That's what your practice looks like. Switching to another chord, to the D7. 2 chords in this whole song, from what I've heard. And what practice looks like over 15 minutes a day is sitting in front of the TV, finding your G and moving your fingers. While the accordion is muted, it's that kind of practice. Right? That's what the hours of practice look like. So that when it comes time to playing the song, you should, in a few weeks, in a few months, be able to play this and hum to da 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 ba ba da da ba 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 da 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 da. And that means switching between the chords smoothly. Now, knowing those that's the left hand. Your right hand is doing the same thing. It's knowing those two chords. It's G major and D major. G major to D major. Now, the right hand is really where the magic comes in. At first, you're going to accompany your voice. So look at my 15 minutes of practice. It means learning how to build those major chords and how to switch between them. It's doing those chords as triads and arpeggios for both chords together and broken as before, and then playing the song like that, right? So G major, ba 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 da 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 da, D major, ba ba da 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 da. Marie, I already forgot the song a little bit, but that's what the song is, right? If I'm playing along to this track, I'm gonna rewind a bit. G major. In rhythm, G. To the D. Still D. G. D. Right? So that's what practice looks like. And you can then sing over your own playing. Marina, Marina, Marina. Ba da 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 da. Good. Now, how you start to get the melody for the song is through sheet music, which helps, through playback exercises. I'm happy to do a tutorial for this song, and you'll find tutorials on Accordion Love that ask you to do playback exercises, which means we learn the song bit by bit. Right? And then you pick up your accordion and you play the same thing. And knowing that the song's in G major, we see that the melody to the song really is a G major chord. D, B, G, B, G, B, G. There's our G major chord. And then we switch to a D7. There's our D major chord. So knowing those things, that songs are made up of chords and that the melody really lies within the chords, it becomes digesting the song easier. Over the course of a year, at first your song will sound like this. Slow. First you look down and you're making sure you're hitting the right notes. After a few months, you might get more musical. After a year of playing, the more you play, the more musical you become, the more you express the song. And you start to throw in these half notes and trills. right? And you start bringing yourself into it. You start expressing the song, not just playing the notes. Good. Um, I'm happy you're a part of Accordion Love, and you'll see that on Accordion Love. Obviously, part of your learning journey is seeing other accordion players, seeing your own progress by doing the monthly challenges, trying easier songs too, but really concentrating on those G major to D major movements. It's a great song to start learning. I hope that helps.